In this short video, I am going to show you how you can log in and edit the content and the images on your website. So the very first step is you open up your website. In this case, we will just open up the OTT Marketing website. Now, our next step is to put in the full link to get into the admin section. So it is your website. It's in this case ottmarketing.ie/wp-admin. Okay, and next step is you put in the username and password that we sent on to you. So now we are now in the back end of the website, the dashboard. So our next step is to open the front of the website where the control panel will appear. And we do this by going up to the top left-hand corner and hovering over the name, and you'll see the view visit website. So you right click that and open it in the U tab like I have done here. Just give it a moment to load. Now, okay, this is the website is back opened again, but you'll notice the toolbar along the top. And the section we are concerned about is, or concerned with, is the edit with Elementor. And if you hover over that, you can see, you'll see header, footer, or the navigation menu. Now, if you wanted to edit the phone numbers, for example, or you wanted to change the icons here, any part of the header, you would hover over it again and click into header. And it's the same with the footer. If you want to edit any part of the footer, the text there, the address, the phone number, you hover over the edit with Elementor and you click into the footer. Now, for this example, I will show you just a quick little editing exercise. So the header part, if you want to edit any part of that, you just click into the header, and the footer, if you want to edit any part of that, you click into the footer. The navigation menu is this menu along here. If you wanted to change any part of that, you click into the navigation menu. And the rest of it is the entire body of the website. So if I wanted to change any part of the body of the website, I would just click on the edit with Elementor, the overall one. Now, please allow a few seconds for it to load. I'm on a slow connection here now. I'm doing this from my home office. So it might just take a few seconds here to load. Yeah, it's taking its time, but it usually doesn't, 30 seconds or so, 20 or 30 seconds is usually on a pretty good speed internet connection. It should load in that time frame. Yeah, it's just loaded there now, but usually on a pretty good connection, it should load maybe 20 or 30 seconds. Now, the whole engine and the control panel of the website has loaded up for you. Now, just say, for example, that's this top slideshow. If I wanted to change the image there or any of the text, I would click on that editing pin here and click into it, and you'll see what happens. Okay, the control panel on the left hand side opens up the slides details. So for the first slide, the main text is OTT marketing, and when I click on content, then I can change. You can see any part of that. I can change that to OTT Marketing Limited, for example. Okay, and it comes up there. You can see it come up on the right hand side. I can change this text, Irish Web Design Experts. I could just change that to website, for example. And it changes in there. And basically, when you have all your changes done, what you do next is you hit on the green save button on the bottom, and it'll save any changes you have made. So you can scroll down through your entire website and change any part of your website this way. If you want to change the text here, the About Us, you click in there, the text appears, you can mess around and change it, and basically make any changes, any part of the text. You click in there, change any of the text, and so forth. If you want to change the form, I just click in here. You can see the form. We have the 4 fields there, and basically the placeholder. We just, if you want to just change that to, for example, full name, you just type it in and it'll automatically appear for you. The key here is when you have all your changes done, you click on the save button, the green save button on the bottom. Okay. So you don't have to pick the save button every time. You just do it when you have all the changes made throughout your website. Okay, that's the home page, and it works the very exact same with all the other pages. So say, for example, I wanted to edit the portfolio page. I would just right click that, open it in the U tab. Okay, and then I would click on edit with Elementor. It's the same process. If I wanted to edit the header, the footer, the navigation menu, or the body of the website, I would just click into edit with Elementor, and it'll open up the control panel again. And also, if you've made changes and you want to preview them before you basically update them, you can just click this arrow here. Okay, and it'll open the website in full screen for you. So you can scroll down and view all your changes, make sure everything is okay. And when you're happy with all your changes, then you can open back up the control panel again and click update. And another thing here, if you want to see how it will look on your tablet or your mobile, you click on this icon here which says responsive mode. So you click, and if you click on tablet or desktop or mobile, for example, if we click here on mobile, it will show you how the website will look on mobile. So that's basically, it's pretty straightforward. That's how you edit the front end of your website. So it's very straightforward. Just make sure that you're happy with all your changes, and when you make your changes, hit the update button on the bottom. Now, the second part, for some of you that would have a blog on the website, your blog will be located in this section. If you click here on posts and click on all posts. Okay, right now we don't have a blog on the OTT marketing website, but if there is a blog on your website, you will see the posts in here. So say, for example, I want to add in a you post to the blog. I would click on add you. Okay, and my next step is the title then. Okay, if I was doing a blog post, let's say I could write something like web design features for 2020, and I could start writing my blog post here then. This is a test. And also, if I wanted to add if I wanted to add an image to my blog, I just click on documents here and click on featured image, and I can click into this, and I could take a featured image of the media gallery that is already loaded on the website, or if I want to upload one here from my computer, click on upload files, then I click on select files, and I can go into my computer and pick an image that I want to use. So basically, just for this test, we'll just select this image here, and all you have to do is, when you have it selected, is click on set featured image, and it should show up there. If you're happy with your blog post, or you can preview it first just to see if it is okay. And that's what it looks like. And then basically, if you're happy with it, then you can click on the publish. And if the blog is already set on your website, that blog article will appear on your website. Okay, so that's it. It's very, very easy and very straightforward to update your website. If you have any questions or any queries, make sure you get in contact with us. You can reach us on 093 53131 or 086 866 4133. Thank you for watching.